Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm going to turn this bucket bin that I have that is broken right here, and I've been storing garden stuff in it. I'm going to turn this into a planter for my potatoes. So to do that, we are putting holes in the bottom with just like this. And you just want to keep putting tons and tons of holes on the bottom and on the side. Like this. That was a little harder. But you want to have it all around the edges so that it has a lot of really good drainage. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we are going to put about 2-3 inches of soil, just regular garden soil, in the bottom of this bin here. Just enough to give the potatoes something to sit on. There we go. That's good. Then I like to throw earthworm castings, which I got this giant bag at Costco. I try to buy it every year in the spring. Throw a handful of that in there, mix it up. And then all we're going to do is place our potatoes on top. So these are just some potatoes I got from Trader Joe's. They already have some sprouts on them. So we're just going to put these in here whole, like that. And then throw some more soil on top. And it's good to go. Until when they start growing up and the leaves start coming out and it's growing up like a little bit higher, about this high, I'm going to add more soil on top of it, so just the leaves are poking out the top. And we'll just continue doing that, adding more soil as it grows until it's like this high. And so the potatoes will just continue to grow in that soil as the plant gets taller. So if we didn't do that and we just let it grow, we wouldn't have very many potatoes. Okay, I think that's pretty good. All right, so we're just going to let this go ahead and grow and see what happens in about a week.